The next generation and next level Ford Ranger Raptor has arrived. Built to dominate in the desert, master the mountains and rule everywhere in between, the second-generation Ranger Raptor raises the off-road performance bar as a pickup built for true enthusiasts. Europeans are used to getting the shorter end of the stick when it comes to power. Stricter emissions regulations are forcing automakers to neuter engines to comply with the EU's tougher laws. These will become even harder to meet once Euro 7 will come into effect later this decade. We complained about the twin-turbo V6 of the 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor being substantially detuned compared to the Explorer ST. That's not generally applicable though. Outside of the EU, the 3.0-liter EcoBoost unit packs a lot more punch. Ford's press offices in Australia and South Africa are announcing the local Ranger Raptor will pack 392 horsepower, 292 kilowatts, and 583 Newton-meters, 430 lb-ft of torque. That's more than 100 horsepower and 90 Newton-meters, 66 lb-ft, over the Eurospec truck and represents the biggest discrepancy we've seen lately. Not only that, but it has an extra 20 Newton-meters, 15 lb-ft, of torque compared to the Explorer ST. It could be a sign of what to expect from the Bronco Raptor since Ford has said the V6 will be further massaged compared to the configuration used by the SUV. In the midsize truck, the full torque will kick in from 3,500 RPM. When it will eventually arrive in the United States, logic tells us the go-anywhere pickup will benefit from the more potent EcoBoost engine. In select markets, Ford will sell the revamped Ranger Raptor with the twin-turbo diesel 2.0-liter engine of the previous generation. Technical specifications have not been disclosed, but the 4-pot EcoBlue made 204 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters, 369 lb-ft. Yes, the gasoline-fueled model does have considerably more torque, but the diesel offers its muscle a lot sooner, from only 1,750 RPM. Both the new gasoline and old diesel are good to offer a maximum towing capacity of 2,500 kilograms, 5,511 pounds, and work with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some people are wondering whether Ford will release an Everest Raptor SUV this time around, but we're hearing it's not going to happen. After the Bronco Raptor and Ranger Raptor, a third model to carry the suffix will be debuting later this year when the Blue Oval will take the wraps off the F-150 Raptor R, complete with a V8 engine to fight the Ram 1500 TRX. Developed by Ford Performance, the next-gen Ranger Raptor is the ultimate performance derivative of the all-new Ford Ranger. With smarter technology controlling tougher, next-generation hardware, Ranger Raptor blends raw power with mechanical and technical precision to create the most advanced Ranger ever. We've really focused on delivering a genuine performance truck with the next-gen Ranger Raptor, said Dave Byrne, Ford Performance Chief Program Engineer for Ranger Raptor. It's significantly faster, looks incredible, is packed with new features, and it's the toughest Ranger we've ever made. European Ranger enthusiasts have special reason to celebrate as the all-new Ford Ranger Raptor is the first model from the next-gen Ranger lineup to be launched in Europe, with customer deliveries starting in the final quarter of 2022. More power to play. The biggest news for performance fans is the introduction of an all-new twin-turbo 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 petrol engine tuned by Ford Performance to produce a targeted 288 PS and 491 Newton-meters of torque. The twin-turbo 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine boasts a compacted graphite iron cylinder block, which is around 75% stronger and up to 75% stiffer than the iron used in traditional castings. Ford Performance ensured the engine delivers immediate response to throttle inputs, and a race-bred anti-lag system similar to that first seen on the Ford GT Road Car and Focus ST enables rapid delivery of boost on demand. The new anti-lag system, available in Baja mode, keeps the turbochargers spinning for up to 3 seconds after the driver backs off the throttle, allowing for faster resumption of acceleration out of corners or through the gears when the driver steps back on the accelerator. In addition, the engine is programmed with an individual turbocharging boost profile for each of the advanced 10-speed automatic transmission's gears for optimized performance. The 3.0-liter engine brings a different dynamic to the Ranger Raptor that will satisfy even the most hardcore performance enthusiast, Byrne said. The acceleration and raw performance of the new powertrain leave you grinning from ear to ear. Ford Ranger Raptor's new powertrain delivers effortless acceleration on gravel, dirt, mud and sand. To match this comprehensive performance, an electronically controlled active exhaust system amplifies the engine note in 4 selectable modes, enabling Ranger Raptor to adapt its vocal character. Drivers can choose their preferred engine sound by pressing a button on the steering wheel, or by selecting a drive mode that uses one of the following settings. Quiet prioritizes quietness over performance, and sound to keep the peace with neighbors on early mornings. Normal, intended for everyday use, this profile offers an exhaust note with presence while not being too loud for street use. This profile is applied by default to normal, slippery, mud, ruts, and rock crawl drive modes. Sport offers a louder and more dynamic note. Baja, the most striking exhaust profile in both volume and note. In Baja mode, the exhaust behaves more like a straight-through system. Intended for off-road use only. The current 2.0-liter EcoBoost bi-turbo diesel engine will continue to be available in the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor from 2023. Hardware for heavy hitters. The Next-Gen Ford Ranger Raptor has a unique chassis when compared to the all-new Ranger. A series of Raptor-specific mounts and reinforcements for elements including the C-pillar, load box and spare wheel, as well as unique frames for the jounce bumper, shock tower and rear shock bracket, all combine to ensure Next-Gen Ranger Raptor can handle punishing off-road conditions. A high-performance off-roader like the Ranger Raptor needs the running gear to match, so Ford engineers completely redesigned the suspension. All-new tough yet lightweight aluminum upper and lower control arms, long travel front and rear suspension, and a refined What's-Link rear end have been designed to deliver more control across rough terrain at high speed. The suspension upgrades in the Ranger Raptor make the most of the new Fox live valve dampers. The suspension adapts in real time to enable exceptional on-road body control, while absorbing corrugations and bigger ruts off-road with ease, ensuring maximum control and performance, Burns said. The next-generation Fox 2.5-inch live valve internal bypass shock absorbers feature cutting-edge control technology offering position-sensitive damping capability. These shock absorbers are the most sophisticated ever fitted to Ranger Raptor, and are filled with Teflon-infused oil that reduces friction by around 50% compared to those on the outgoing vehicle. While the hardware is Fox, the tuning and development work was carried out by Ford Performance using a mixture of computer-aided engineering and real-world testing. Everything from adjusting the spring rates to setting the ride height, valve tuning and honing the ride zones was performed to create the perfect balance between comfort, control, stability and traction on and off-road. Linked to Ford Ranger Raptor's revised selectable drive modes, the live valve internal bypass system has been developed to provide better on-road comfort and off-road ride quality both at high and low speed. In addition to working with the drive modes, the system works in the background to prepare Next-Gen Ranger Raptor for different conditions. As the shocks compress, different zones within the bypass system give exactly the amount of support needed for the travel being used, and work in reverse as the shocks rebound back to full height. To provide protection against severe bottom-outs, race-proven Fox bottom-out control provides maximum damping force in the last 25% of shock travel. Similarly, the system can stiffen the rear dampers to prevent Ranger Raptor from squatting under hard acceleration, improving vehicle stability. With the shocks providing the right amount of damping force at every position, Ranger Raptor stays planted on both the road and track. Ranger Raptor's ability to tackle rough terrain is further enhanced with some serious underbody protection. The front bash plate is almost double the size of the standard Next-Gen Ranger's unit and is made from 2.3 mm thick high-strength steel. This plate, combined with the engine undershield and transfer case shield, is designed to protect key components such as the radiator, steering system, front crossmember, engine sump and front differential. Twin-rated tow hooks at the front and rear provide flexible recovery options while driving off-road. The design facilitates access to one of the tow hooks if the other is buried, as well as enabling the use of balance straps during snatch recoveries in deep sand or thick mud. All-terrain control. For the first time, Ford Ranger Raptor gets an advanced full-time four-wheel drive system with an all-new electronically controlled on-demand 2-speed transfer case, combined with front and rear locking differentials, a valuable feature for hardcore off-road enthusiasts.